Our physical body is temporary, but our soul is what? Eternal. And that raises an important question. Where do we go immediately after death? The separation of the righteous and the unrighteous. Our Lord Jesus Christ gave us a glimpse into this reality in Luke 16:19 to 31, where he tells us the story of the rich man and Lazarus. I think you have heard about this. In this story, both men die. Dungan sila kamatay. One goes to a place of suffering, the other a place of peace. The rich man in torment is fully aware of his past life. Fully aware of his past life. And even members of his family still on earth. Naibaw siya. Conscious siya.